On my desktop, I have a picture of the Mona Lisa. But this isn't just any picture. Inside this image, I've hidden a secret file and a message. And with this trick, I can secretly communicate with my friend, and no one else will ever know the message is there. Sounds like magic, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this using a simple tool called Steghide. Now before we begin, here's an important note. This tutorial is for educational purposes only. I'm not teaching you this so you can hide illegal content or break the law. The goal is to help you understand how steganography works, because if hackers are using it, cybersecurity experts should know about it too. So what is Steghide? Steghide is a free command line tool that lets you hide information, like text files or even other documents, inside an image or an audio file. The picture looks completely normal, but if you know the password, you can extract the secret message hidden inside. This technique is called steganography, and it's been used for centuries, long before computers, as a way of sending secret information. Let's set it up. If you're using Linux, open your terminal and type sudo apt update. And to be able to hide secret messages in a photo, we need to download this tool called Steghide. Type this in your terminal to install the tool. Sudo apt install Steghide y. Now let's hide a secret message. First, we'll create a text file. In the terminal, type touch and follow it by the name of the file. In this case, I'll name mine secret.txt. You can confirm you've created the file by typing the ls command. You can use the nano editor to type in your secret message. To do this, you need to type nano followed by the name of the file you created with touch. Now you can type in your secret message here. I'll type this as a secret message. Now save and exit the nano editor. So now, the file with the secret message is ready, and all I have to do now is to hide this message in a photo. To do that, you'll need a photo. You can use any image you like. Next, we'll hide that text file inside our Mona Lisa picture or any image you want. Use this command, Steghide embed, cf followed by name of your image and ef, and you need to type the name of your file here. Cf means cover file. That's the image you're hiding data inside. EF means embedded file. That's the secret file or message you want to hide. Steghide will ask you to set a password. This is something you'll have to create yourself. This is very important. Without this password, nobody will ever be able to extract your hidden message. So now, as you can see, this looks like a normal image, but it's not. There's a secret message inside it. So how do we get the hidden message back? Easy. If someone has the picture and the password, they can type Steghide extract SF followed by the name of the image. SF stands for Stego file, the picture that has the secret data inside. After typing the password, Steghide will extract the file. And just like that, your hidden message is revealed again. Now you can use the cat command followed by the name of the text file to view the secret message. And that's it. You've just learned how to hide and extract secret messages inside images using Steghide. Remember, this is for educational use only. Steganography is a powerful skill, and understanding it will make you a better hacker, coder, or cybersecurity enthusiast. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more hacking and tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you tried hiding your own message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.